Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my video, and in today's video let's talk about this app that promises to reward you for walking. And yes, in this particular video I'm going to show you my wallet of over $105 that I actually got rewarded from this particular app right here. And also we are going to see other apps that also offer this particular opportunity, and we are going to see if they are legit or if they are just complete waste of time. See me for the first time, welcome to my channel. This is Selim Pictures TV. Right here on my channel I talk about different side hustles. If you want more update from me, do well to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube is going to notify you. And if you have not joined my community yet on YouTube, just click on that join button and make sure you join my community. And also don't forget to comment where you're watching from in the comment section. I'll really appreciate if you can do that. So let's be real for a second. I know you might be wondering, why will somebody actually pay you for walking? Because to be sincere, it makes no logical sense. Somebody pays you for just walking. But that's not the whole truth, because most of these platforms, they have their own ulterior motive. So it might not necessarily be the walking that's why they are paying you. They might be paying you because there are so many other activities happening in the app. I'm going to talk about some few other apps that I've tried before. I've actually tested apps like Sweatcoin. And Sweatcoin is also another app right here that offers this opportunity, and it has millions of users and millions of followers on social media. This is one of the most popular apps that actually offer this opportunity. But when it comes to Sweatcoin right here, their own ulterior motive right here is that they are also promoting their coin, because they have a crypto coin right here that they are promoting. The reason why they actually pay you for walking, they are gathering more community members to promote their coin. If you have a crypto coin, the more people that use this coin on a daily basis, that buy this coin, sell this coin, trade with this coin, the more likely your coin value is definitely going to add up, because more people are using it, more people are trading with it, more people are buying, more people are selling. They are building a community of people to promote their own crypto coin. I tested another app also called roboxfit app. I talked about it here. And roboxfit also do the same thing. They also have a crypto coin, and they pay you or they reward you here with this their coin, and this their coin can be tradable. Some others have art. Some of them have a lot of art. That's why if you download some that offer this opportunity, you'll be watching art almost every single minute, or 5 times in a minute, or 10 times in a minute. These apps are actually monetized. The more people that come to their app to watch those art, the more they actually make money, and they share this art revenue. While some of them offers things like micro tax and different tax. Download apps, they can ask you to do 1 or 2 things. They can ask you to watch videos. They can ask you to do different things on this offer was, and you get rewarded. Some of them even have games right here that you can play on this your app, and you still get rewarded. Some of them even have offers that also have games that you can download these games and play them, and you still get rewarded. So you need to take note of all these things. That's why some of these apps actually say, okay, come and use our app right here and we're going to pay you. So it's not because they just want you to work and they pay you. There is always an ulterior motive to whatever they are offering you. So just take note of that. This is actually not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. You know, this is actually based on my own experience, you understand? So this app might not work out for you. There's absolutely no guarantee. Most of these things actually work location based, you understand? You might just watch this video just for educational and entertainment purposes, right? So the app that actually rewarded me with this money is called walktask walking step counter. I've been using this app for some time now, and I've made a lot of videos about it. I've talked about it in a lot of videos, right? And I've been using it for some time now, and so far it's been nice. But the main question right here is, this app really worth it? Can I advise or recommend this app for anybody? Well, I'm going to answer that question in this particular video, and I want to share my personal experience. So first of all, walktask right here is an app that I promise to reward you for walking. You know, the kind of steps normal. They say it's good for fitness. You can actually walk, and the kind of steps, at the end of the day, you can convert your steps into coin. Now, mind you, they pay you right here in coin. They reward you right here in coin. 3,000 coin is equals to $5. So if you have 3,000 coin right here, is equivalent to $5 worth of gift card, right? So that is actually how this actually works. So first of all, what are some of the earning methods they have here? Number one is through walking. So you can walk right here and reward you for walking. We talked about that one. Then the second method right here is through their games. They have different games you can play here, in app games, and they also reward you for that. And the next method here is through their offer wars. They have offer wars that offer different tasks. You can take surveys and do a lot of other stuff. And another way here is through their daily tasks. They have daily tasks like daily login. They have Telegram tasks. They have surveys. They have different kind of daily tasks that you can do here, and they actually reward you. Another way you can actually earn, another earning opportunity I find here which can help you earn more, is through their referral program. I think it should be easier for you to invite your friends because it's actually free. And if you also use somebody's referral code, they also give you some coins for using somebody's referral code on the platform. So that is how this works. But another thing I don't really like about the platform is the fact that they have a lot of art, right? So recently they have a lot of art, like a lot. Like you might just be on the platform and you're not doing anything. They just take you to another art, take you to different places. And also their customer service right here, for you to get in touch with somebody, is really kind of difficult. I just sat down one day after a few weeks. I just got a notification that my gift cards are ready to be redeemed. I was like, wow, this is actually amazing. Like, this is nice. So I went to my email, I checked, and I saw my gift cards are ready. And well, I redeemed my Amazon gift card. I added to my Amazon card. I can use it to shop on Amazon. I redeemed that successfully. Now my Google Play gift card, I had a little problem. So even after getting the gift card, I could not redeem it because it was not a Nigerian Google Play gift card. But the Amazon gift card, I redeemed it successfully on my Amazon account. It was very simple. If you want to see the video when I was redeeming this my Amazon gift card, I made a video. Just check cirrden.com/solidpicturestv. I made a step-by-step video there where I was redeeming these two gift cards and how you can redeem your gift card on Amazon. So I can build a community so they can get more referrals easily. So check out cirrden.com. So I have over 105, almost $106 right here. So how was I able to earn this money? Was it just from working? No, it was not just from working. If I depend on working, I really don't think I'll be making this much from this app. The way I actually made this money, I completed some of their tasks. That's number one. And I also joined their affiliate program, which is their referral program. I just want to clear that out for people that will ask, is it just working that paid you this money? If you come down to this, their redemption page, you click on country. Now you're going to see different countries that are actually available. You can see United States, you can see South Africa, you can see Mexico, you can see Philippines, and a lot of other countries. There is no Nigeria here. The problem actually starts because when I was using this app, I actually selected United States. Now under United States, you're going to see the redemption methods that are available. You come down here and select South Africa, for example, you're going to see all the redemption options that are available. If you click on orders, the only payment method available for orders is PayPal. You can just click on United States, then you redeem Amazon gift card. You're going to see that I have actually redeemed 3 times. I redeemed my first Amazon gift card, second Amazon gift card, $5. I've withdrawn a total of $15 out of this platform for free. The platform that I have been using to work, and it has actually rewarded me for my effort. You know, just calculate the month. At least this is not something that can replace your job, but if you put the effort, you can actually use this as a side hustle. $120 right here times 1,550 naira. That's over 186,000 in naira right here. This is my own experience, but share your own experience down in the comment section, guys. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.